Do you know what the #1 app of 2021 is going to be for social media? I do. If you don't know about this yet, you're about to. This app is a game changer. I have built a massive following. And when I say massive, I don't mean like thousands, but on here, it is about quality over quantity. I've built a solid following. I've already generated revenue from it. I've built amazing relationships, and I want to share this with you and the takeaways that I have from this app. So if you're with me today, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the Adrian Graphics and Marketing channel. As I said in the beginning, I want to talk to you guys about an app that I know is going to be the biggest app of 2021. It's not TikTok, it's not Instagram Reels, it's not Facebook. Facebook is not a thing of the past, but it's not going to compare to how big this thing is going to explode in 2021. And that app is nothing but Clubhouse. Clubhouse app, and I can't say enough about it. It is an amazing app. It is an audio only social media platform, meaning you go on there, you create a profile, you set your profile picture, you put your bio in there, put all your information in there, and then you can go and follow people and get followed. But there's what they call rooms, and you go into these specific rooms with different topics. So I'll just scroll through these, and let me just do this real fast. So you go into different rooms. So like this top room I have here is entrepreneurs start and scale up business, right? And you can see in this room alone, all the people, then there's 1,000 members and 43 speakers. In this room, strategic growth experts by my buddy Brandon, there's 12 speakers. Actually, there's 12 guests and 7 speakers. Real Estate Mastermind Group by Dan Fleischman and Carlos Reyes and Cole Hatter. That guy's a freaking amazing. So is Dan Fleischman. All these amazing guys. 607 people in the room and 10 speakers. The Power Circle, Secrets of Millionaire Mind, Master Game of Wealth. Another group of amazing people like JT Fox and Tanner Chittister. Just some amazing people. That Pete Vargas is in this group right now. In fact, let me just pop in there and show you.
Here, and I'm part of this Power Circle Club. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I've been involved in building businesses and influencers.
But that gives you an example. It is an audio only app. And so what it does, it allows you to jump into a room, and then you can raise your hand if you want to speak and ask a question. But some of the biggest thought leaders, speakers, consultants, and business owners in the world are on this app, including Billie Jean and Chris Do. Some of the most amazing thought leaders of our time are on this app. Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone. All these guys are in there dropping knowledge and answering questions for people who want information. So this is the future, I think, for people to actually go learn from some of the best minds in the world. Where else can you go and actually learn from people like Gary Vaynerchuk and ask them direct questions? I'm going to give you 3 takeaways today in this video that I want you to think about and I want you to consider in joining this. Now, keep in mind, you do have to have an Apple device, either an iPhone or an iPad. They don't allow it for Android yet. I'm sure it's coming. I'm sure they have plans for it. Maybe not. But if you can go get yourself an iPad or go get yourself an iPhone, it is worth the investment. I'm telling you right now, it's a great investment. And so I'm going to give you these 3 takeaways. Takeaway number 1, why you should be on Clubhouse if you're a designer, and this is really important. I'm on there. One of the coolest parts about Clubhouse is not only can I start my own room and make it about graphic design, motion design, and web design, but I've also been granted access to have my own group. I have the Instagraphics Pro Network group on Clubhouse. And so I've created this group. It's going to be talking about becoming a 3-dimensional designer, which is cool, 3D designer. I actually am borrowing that from my friend Nicholas Bailey, who talks about creating 3-dimensional businessmen, but I want to create 3-dimensional designers. Your health, your wealth, and your relationships. All 3 of these are very, very important. I've talked about it in previous videos, how bad I've been about my health. I've been great about my relationships and about my wealth, but we need to be 3-dimensional business people and 3-dimensional designers. So I'm on there. I got my Instagraphics Pro Network group, and I'm doing rooms, like actual Instagraphics rooms called Design Your Future, every single Monday, and I'm probably going to add one more. I don't know yet for sure, but I'm probably going to add one more called Design Your Income, but right now it's just Design Your Future. So if you're not on there, you need to get on there, get on the waiting list. There's actually a waiting list, so there's a lot of scarcity around this, but I really want you guys to jump on Clubhouse because I'm on there and I'm building our community on there as well, and I want you to be included in that. Okay, Point number 2, the biggest thought leaders, I talked a little bit about this, are on there. And these are amazing people that can be mentors for you. Any question you have about building wealth, building relationships, building your health, gaining influence, becoming a thought leader yourself, or building your business, scaling your business, taxes, any topic you could possibly imagine is in Clubhouse. VR, AR, I mean, it's endless. There's so many people on there. I think there's probably about 500,000 people that I've seen so far on the platform, and the greatest minds in the world. Joseph Ortega. I mean, I can go on and on and on about that. But the point is, I want you to understand that if you want to get in proximity with amazing people and be able to ask some of the greatest minds of our time questions about growing your health, your wealth, your relationships, your business, your personal life, or getting unstuck, there's incredible people, men and women. And so you need to get on there for that reason, is you need to get into proximity with great people. Now, I want to preface this by, you got to be careful about, not everybody on there is legit. There are some fake profiles, some people that have posed as celebrities, like Tyrese is on there. That's actually Tyrese. Jaleel White, did I do that? That guy, he's actually on there. Urkel from Family Matters. Like, there's some amazing people on there. I got to talk to Warren G. There's just amazing people on this app. So if you're not on there, you're missing out. There should be a little bit of FOMO, because you are missing out. If you have an Android phone like me, you can go buy an iPad for pretty cheap and you can get on the platform. Even my COO, who's not an Apple fan, went and got on there today because she just sees the opportunity that she's missing, and she went and made the investment. It's very worthwhile in making that investment. All right. Now, number 3, and this is a big one, I want you to really think about this, is the celebrity status and the link to your work. If you're a designer, you can link your Instagram account directly to it, and I'll show you guys here on my app. I'm going to go to my profile, and you can see here I actually have 544 people that are currently following me, and I just hit the 400 mark of people that I'm following. I laid out my bio very nice, talking about what I'm doing, and then if you scroll to the bottom, you can see I have my Mr. Boysel Instagram page where I've been gaining followers on there, and I can showcase my work. This is a great place. That's one of the first things that people are going to do after they scroll past your story and your bio, is they're going to go right to your Instagram page and they're going to follow you there. That is an opportunity to get clients. It's an opportunity to get mentors. It's an opportunity to go connect with these people right there as they're talking and capture their attention. I don't know any other platform where you have people engaged and you have their full attention like that. So this is a powerful tool for you to build your own influence, your own credibility as an artist, as a designer, as a creative, and build your business. There are people out there, like I have Alex Stern, who's the co-founder of Constant Contact, who I jumped into a room with him and Forbes Riley last night, my friend Forbes, and he dropped my name in there multiple times, and I actually picked up clients from him dropping my name. So they saw my work. He added so much credibility to me. I mean, he's $1 billion. He had $1 billion acquisition, and that guy was dropping my name in a room full of like hundreds of people, saying that if you need help with your branding or your graphics, Adrian's the guy. You should talk to Adrian. Dude, where can you get social proof like that? Anywhere else on a social media platform on that scale, with so many people hungry for knowledge? The amount of people that are givers on this platform is absolutely incredible. So those are the 3 things you need to be thinking about. If you're not on Clubhouse, you need to get on there immediately. It is a game-changing app. It's going to help you grow your business, learn, get mentors, and really get in proximity with people like me and all the other people that are out there that want to help you. We want to add value to the world, and I want you to have your life of your dreams. So thank you guys so much for watching. Get on the Clubhouse app. It's an invite only, so you want to do this quickly before they run out. And man, I just hope you get on there, and I want to see you on there. If you do, hit the @Mr. Boysel on there and follow me. I'll follow you back, and we can jump into the rooms together. So love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Adrian Boysel. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. And as always, keep looking up.